Are high electricity costs putting a strain on your budget? With inflation what it is today, everything, including electricity, has increased in price. I think we can agree that as long as there are people, there's a need for electricity. So what if I told you you could get into the business of selling electricity? Well, Massachusetts, known for the brains at MIT, may have a smart solution for the high cost of power. Hi, I'm Sinue with DroneQuote. Typically, I'd say this video is brought to you by us, but today's sponsor is Uncle Sam, because he gave me the cheat code to life. I got free travel, paid for college, and a VA house loan with just about pocket change for a down payment. I even got cush job offers thanks to my veteran status. So if you're looking for life hacks, check out the military. Booyakasha. Massachusetts launched a solar incentive that literally pays you recurring money for installing solar panels. But how does this scam work? What's that? Is that right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm being told that this is not a scam and it is in fact a real program. So how does it work? Marking a turning point in Massachusetts solar power incentives, the Department of Energy Resources launched the Solar Massachusetts Renewable Target Program in November 2018. That's pretty smart. This innovative program signifies a major departure from previous approaches, ushering in a new era for solar energy adoption in the state of Massachusetts. The SMART program is a diminishing incentive for homeowners who install solar panels, paying them a set rate for every kilowatt hour produced for 10 years. Imagine a pie. I like pie. When you install solar panels, you get a slice. Eventually, as more people get pie, it's all gone. In this case, the pie is money. You get it by installing solar panels. The SMART program started with 3,200 megawatts. But what does that even mean to a typical person? What you should know is that the space is not unlimited. Limited! The other qualifier is where you get your pie, or in this case, electricity. The SMART program is only available for Unitil, Eversource, and Massachusetts Electric customers. And as more customers in each utility sign up, there is less space in the program, and the payment you receive for being in it also decreases. So what are the requirements for this program? You just heard them. Install solar while there's still room in the SMART program, and be a customer of one of those three utilities. Do it sooner rather than later so you get more money for your electricity. The SMART program presents a compelling path to adopt solar with long-term financial rewards. However, like any investment, it's important to understand the returns. Let's break it down. How smart is this program for your wallet? To quantify SMART, we need to understand how much money the SMART program pays for solar generation, which depends on variables like the size of your solar installation and even how soon you go solar. The money you earn from the SMART program also depends on the size of your system, the remaining blocks from the three main utility companies I mentioned earlier, and other factors that differ from one customer to another. The program offers additional perks called adders that also boost your earnings. These can be triggered by factors like having battery storage, qualifying for income benefits, or installing your system in a designated location. For example, adding battery storage can increase your earnings by up to 4.8 cents per kilowatt hour. In combination with SMART and net metering, you could save tens of thousands of dollars over that 10-year period. And the SMART program is great, don't get me wrong, but fortunately, it's not the only money you can earn from installing solar panels. For people outside of Massachusetts, there are solar renewable energy credits, also known as SRECS, which are oftentimes confused with SMART program incentives. And it's easy to mix them up since there are different incentives for solar aside from the federal tax credit, SRECS, and even SMART. So let's break down the latter two and see how they're different. SRECS, or Solar Renewable Energy Credits, are tradable certificates. They're like a financial reward for solar energy production. These certificates are sold in a market of buyers and sellers. However, this introduces an element of complexity and instability. For SRECs, your earnings can be affected by high electricity prices and the overall energy produced from other existing solar systems. On the other hand, the SMART program offers a simplified approach. You received a fixed rate per kilowatt hour for the electricity you generate with a guaranteed 10-year rate. This eliminates the risk of a fluctuating market and simplifies the application process, typically handled by your solar installer, which DroneQuote can help you find, as we've built a reputation for serving homeowners going solar and finding the best fit, especially as the solar market changes with time, which is why we put together our 2024 Cost of Solar Panels video. Check it out if you're in the market for solar, or maybe 6 reasons why you should not go solar. I don't know. It's not for everybody, that's for sure, and we're willing to tell you that rather than force a sale. Anyhow, I gotta go. Take care.